Hi, cutie. This is Finnegan, and he was being given away for free by someone on Craigslist. I just want to show you how bad the fleas were on him. I don't know if you can see the flea dander on this guy here. There's so much in his coat, all over his body. Flea dander is actually the animal's blood. The flea is living off of them. He's just got it everywhere on him. So I'm going to give him a bath. So that'll make him much more comfortable now that the fleas are all killed with Revolution. Gave it a couple of days for that to happen. Yeah, and you're going to be feeling much better. Yeah, and you won't be so crunchy. Your skin is crunchy. Okay, bath time. Now you can see how bad the fleas were on his skin when it gets wet. All that red there is his blood. Yeah, so this water's gonna be very red in just a moment. Oh, little boy, you're getting clean now. It must feel good.